Welcome to this video on how to quickly troubleshoot Airbnb payment errors if your debit or credit card is not being accepted. We'll cover step-by-step checks and fixes for web, app, or via support. First, verify your card details. Check that the card number, expiry date, and CVV match exactly. Also, ensure your billing name and address are consistent with your bank's records, and that your card supports online and international payments. If the issue persists, try app and browser fixes. Update the Airbnb app or use the latest browser version. Clear your cache and cookies, or try using an incognito or private browsing mode. Finally, remove and then re-add your card in the Account Payment Methods section. Next, troubleshoot payment and bank issues. Call your bank to confirm there are no holds or transaction blocks. Consider using an alternate card, a virtual card, or PayPal if available. You might also try a different network or device, or ask your host for an alternate payment link. To summarize, retry after implementing these fixes and document any error codes. Contact Airbnb support with screenshots and transaction IDs. If needed, ask your bank to trace the charge or use an alternative payment method.